Hi guys, so welcome to this unboxing video for a Canvio desk 5TB hard drive from Toshiba.
11825, code 6.
Toshiba generally are one of the cheapest. I had a Seagate stroke Samsung 2TB USB drive which failed, which I had to send back to Holland at my own cost. So that was sort of the first and last time I'm buying Samsung hard drives. Obviously, you know, just unlucky with that probably. But I sold the replacement on eBay. So this is you got some tape here, which is a pain in the arse to get out. Open up the flaps. So let's take a look at some stats here, guys. You can get 3 hours of HD video on here. Polski. Actually, the English is covered up with this barcode. System backup, password protected, drive space, alerts, Windows, front view, back view. So there we go. An external hard drive, backup software included, which of course you probably won't use. So in the box you've got a security tab in there, just in case you were thinking of nicking this in Dixon's, well, Curry's, because Dixon's do not exist anymore. So here we go, we've got a sheaf of paper there, which is in a foreign, which is in sort of Russian, Polishy type thing. Just should be warranty hard disk drive. So what do we get here? Internal solid state drives 3 years, 5 years for SSD. You get a fold out one here, so you can put it up on your bedroom wall. It's sort of like a poster, which is foreign language. Yeah, who cares? It's all in foreign. For Europe. So there we go. There's a diagram. So what you do is you plug it into your computer, plug it into the mains. In case you were a bit dumb and didn't know how to hook up a hard drive. So here's the main attraction. You get a double-ended cardboard thing here, which is great. Oh yeah, lovely. And then we get a it's in a cheapo wrapper. This was about 110. I think Western Digital was about 130. So it's fairly cheap. I was going to get 2 USB powered drives to back up stuff, but I figured I might as well just, you know, leave the power cable connected and just plug them and use these. So it's got a lovely sheath on there. Pull it open. There we go. So it just pops off. Oh yeah. It's got quite a cool design actually with this thing here. It's quite heavy. It's probably about 1.5 kilograms maybe. USB 3, DC in. It says Germany on there, so I think it's made in Germany maybe. I'm not sure, it looks like it's already been touched. So hopefully there won't be any. Here's the power stuff. So it comes in a beautiful, annoying Euro. See, there we go, we're out of Europe now, so we don't need that. We want the British racist UKIP version, which is that 3-pin plug. So what you do is you carefully open this, and then you pop it in like that. Somehow it goes on. It magically clips on, sort of, maybe. There we go. Always read the manual, guys. Take no responsibility. So there we go. And then you got the cable there, so yeah. And then we've got the USB cable, which is again a tiny little cable, which is about the size of the tadpole. So there we go, guys. I'm now going to plug it in.